Hey guys, today we're going to talk about common problems with a restaurant not showing up on your page. So there are a couple of things that can cause this. First, and probably the most common one, is the restaurant is not active. So you see this little word right here that says active. So all you have to do is click make active right here. Now, there are other reasons why. If an address can't be identified by Google Maps, so in this case we have green 10, which means we have the precise location of the restaurant, you might need to change that. Then there can also be an issue where a restaurant is hidden. So make sure it's you right now we have a button that says hide. That means it's not hidden, but that might be an issue as well. So now another way that you can figure this out is if you scroll all the way down, and you will have this checked off: hide restaurant from customers. And by default, when you create a restaurant, to give you time to set it up and get everything going, we automatically check this off. So always make sure you uncheck this and then click save. Okay. Then another reason might be that you're not allowing this restaurant for ASAP orders, or you might not be offering it for delivery or takeout. So these checkboxes also need to be in place in order for your restaurant to show up properly. Now, moving on from the info tab, you should always make sure that you have your fees set up, as well as zone-based fees. Because if you don't have this set up, the the system is going to default into your zones. And if you don't have zones set up, the system can calculate how much you should charge your customer for your services. And in that case, it's not going to be displayed. So that's another thing. There is also limit orders, which is going to basically limit the amount of orders a restaurant can receive in a certain time frame. So sometimes, the customers won't be able to order. If you have this set up to, let's say, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, that means every 15 minutes they can receive one order. And there's an issue where some customers will select 0 and 0 and 0 and 0 and 0 0 0 0 clients, customers meaning US clients. And if you leave this at 0, and somebody goes to your website at 9 a.m., they're not going to be able to order anything until the best quota time of like 11:30, right? Because they don't want to receive an order until 11 o'clock. So always make sure you double check those as well. And this can happen for a variety of reasons. One of your staff changed it, or the restaurant called in to your support center and they wanted something changed on their own. A variety of things can happen. So those are the main culprits regarding restaurants not showing up properly on your website. And also always make sure that your hours are not overlapping. So if you have your hours set for, let's say, breakfast is from 9 a.m. until 11, right? You never want to start lunch before breakfast ends, or start dinner before lunch ends. So in this case, to avoid any kind of issue that might be happening on your website, you don't want to put 10:30 here because it might not display properly between these times, right? So what you want to do is you just want to keep breakfast at that time, and then you want to follow up with the same hours if they don't close in between. So 11 a.m. is when they stop breakfast, 11 a.m. is when they start lunch, and then obviously 4 p.m. and then dinner would start at 4 p.m. You can't start it earlier than that. So there you go. Hopefully this helps. Let us know if you have any other issues in the comments below, and we will get you an answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, have a great day.